Let's try a different type of format for the stories. We bring you inside the shop. Actually, what's going down today, the number one thing we're doing is we're starting off kind of like remodeling the office. We're actually gonna put a wallpaper there. It's gonna look really nice. We're gonna change the lighting, we're gonna change the floors. So everything's gonna look pretty cool. If you've been to our shop and you come back in another 2-3 weeks, this office should look a little bit different because we're working on a couple of things. So let me bring you inside the shop, tell you what we're working on today. Check it out. So we got this Corvette. It's getting ready. We're doing paint correction process. There's Saul doing his thing. There's Seba doing his thing. We're almost ready to apply the ceramic coating. So this is the one that I'll be working on. It's a 1991 300ZX. The customer just bought it and he wants to put paint protection film installation on the full front. Now, sounds nice, huh? There you go. All right, so that's the end to this story. We wrapped up a 300ZX with a full paint protection film on the front end and the ceramic coating treatment on the rest of the vehicle. Can't wait to show you guys what we have wrapped up for next week, so stick around to our stories so you can see what we're doing next week. It's something very cool. I could promise you that.